Welcome to our guide on offering fast shipping for your Godaddy website. Fast shipping is crucial for attracting customers and boosting sales. Let's dive in. Understanding your shipping options is key. We'll explore expedited, same-day, and even free shipping options that you can offer. Now, let's set up your Godaddy store to utilize fast shipping features. It's a straightforward process. Integrating with reliable shipping carriers is essential for ensuring timely delivery. Here's how to do it seamlessly with Godaddy. Real-time shipping rates can greatly enhance the customer experience. Let's see how to implement this feature. Efficient fulfillment processes ensure quick turnaround times. Here's how to set up and optimize your operation. Proper packaging is vital for rapid dispatch and preventing damage. We'll provide you with some essential tips. Technology can be your ally. Let's look at automated solutions to streamline shipping management. Clear communication of shipping policies on your website can reduce confusion. We'll discuss the best practices. In conclusion, measuring your shipping success and continuously improving processes can lead to greater customer satisfaction. Let's keep striving for excellence.